Hi, hello everyone. So today in this video, I'll be teaching first of all how to create infographics by using NotebookLM AI. And one important tip or the way I will show you how to remove the watermark of that NotebookLM from your infographic. So excited? So let's start. Let me share my screen. First of all, I will create a infographic. As you know, why we are creating infographic, because infographic gives you the outline of whatever sources you are giving them, the visual outline of whatever text. If you want to know about the book, anything like any document you are giving to NotebookLM, so the outline of that proper content or any PDF document or any audio, video, whatever you are giving to NotebookLM, the visual outline of that particular thing or particular content will be like infographic. That is called as infographic. So how to create that infographic, and apart from that, how to remove that watermark, like the NotebookLM watermark from that infographic. So let's start. So I'll be sharing my screen. So I'm moving directly to my NotebookLM. Okay. So hope it is visible. So everyone knows how to log into NotebookLM. Okay. I'll share my full screen because if you want to show it from the, okay. So let's start. How to log in from the NotebookLM. On new tab, type it like on Google Chrome, new tab, type NotebookLM. Because I'm already logged into NotebookLM, so directly it opened my NotebookLM account. You can see here. Apart from that, I have a desktop application also over here. It's the same interface. So you can use either way, like you can download the application or you can just use from the browser itself. There is no difference. So I have already downloaded this. So I'll create the infographic from our assignment textbook. Sorry, not book, textbook. It's a book, the big book of team motivation games. So I'll just add that book to this. So it goes to add source. I've already downloaded that book and kept here ready. Here, I can just drag this and drop here. You can add so many sources to this. If you can see here, upload a file, then websites like YouTube links or websites. If you have anything in your drive, you can just upload the file from drive also. If you have copied content, any content is there, like any article is there on the website or any WhatsApp, whatever is there, you just copy paste from copy that content and paste here. So many things are there. Or if you want to search on the web, so you just have to type what you want to search and it will search, and that content or that data can be used for creating the infographic. So if you can see, it is adding the big book of team motivation. It will take some time. So once the source is added, we can go ahead and create the infographic. This is the audio the sir has shared in the group. So this is based on that. It's copied text actually. What was summary was there in that video. You can see. So now I've added the textbook, that book itself. Sorry, I'm telling you textbook, it's book itself. So it will take some time for it. Once it is added, so we will create an infographic. What I can just refresh it. It's added. You can see it's a PDF, and here it is. If you can see, the blue one is the text, copied text. So I don't want that text. I just want the infographic should be based on this book. So I just unselect that other one. If you can see here, all sources, just remove this or just select this. In this way, you can select the source, whichever source you want. Okay. So let's start. Go to our infographic tab here. So I want the detail and the language, whatever language you want. So many languages are there, so I'll keep it as English. Concise means like only few things you want to include, or standard means fine. Like if you want detailed, like because there are so many chapters in this, so I want the details. So it will give me the details, and it's the orientation. You want portrait, square, or landscape. So landscape is preferably good because it covers everything. So I kept it as landscape. Apart from that, whatever I want to give it to him, like if you want that something to be generated or something to be created specifically, so you can give the prompt to him. Like in my case, in this book case, if I want to tell him that give the important concepts from every chapter useful for trainers, coaches, facilitators. Okay, just correct this spelling. So give the important concepts from every chapter useful for trainers, coaches, and facilitators. And apart from that, as already discussed in our group, that we should include like what it is, why you're making this, and for made by whom. So you can see, I'll just go here because I'd already saved that in my start messages. So this is the actually prompt. So just copy this. You can modify this, copy, come to NotebookLM, enter, paste. So you can modify it here. So group coaching TTT assignment and reflective session TTT assignment. Given by TTT assignment, or you can simply write given by corporate and NLP coach Rahul Garg, and you have to mention where you want. Could be below title. Include, okay, be below title. Also mention notes compiled by Mehak Punjabi at the end in center. Okay, so let's start. Generate. It will take some time again, it's few minutes to generate the infographic. So there are so many other things also, like you can create audio, you can create mind map. That is also very good. Like mind map gives you all the details of the chapters. So meantime it's getting generated, we can just have to make sure the which language is there. Okay, English is there. So I can create mind map even. I have selected only textbook. So mind map. It's creating mind map even, and it's creating infographic also. ओके इन्फोग्राफिक के लिए आई थिंक दोनों सोर्सेस ले लिए ओके सो लेट्स सी कैन again once again I'll give the prompt, make sure that only one is selected, and I'll just copy paste it. Focus on things because it is showing me as based on two sources, means it's a second both the sources, whereas I just want to generate the infographic based on this source only, that book. So here you can see based on one source. Meantime, we can explore the mind map. It's very nice. We can see the big book, team motivation games, purpose and benefit. These are there. Then facilitator's role. Okay. Things he had given here. So many, like whatever is there in the book, he will give you accordingly. Third concept is here, stages of the team development, like 5 stages: forming, storming, norming, performing, transformation, and little bit about it. And then game categories. In that, you might be having the details like I mentioned in the book: icebreakers and energizers, and climate setting, motivation, communication, mental, and problem solving. And if you have like in that also something like climate setting, if you have more, then it will give you more details about that. So keys to success. So this is how this is there. So I think by the time our infographic might have got ready. Let's see. Yes. Okay, based on two sources already generated. So let's explore that also, how it is generated. Yes, you can see. The Ultimate Facilitator Guide to Team Motivation Experiential Learning. Group coaching TTD assignment given by a corporate trainer and NLP coach. And it's notes compiled by Mehak Punjabi. And very important things have been covered. You can just zoom it and see that. Assignment contents, core philosophy, the 5 stages of team development, facilitators toolkit, chapter 1 to 10, gains to success. Very nicely here given. And you can see this NotebookLM. So we just want to remove this NotebookLM, the watermark. If it is ready, like let me check. Otherwise, we can go ahead with that only. Second two sources wala. It's still generating. So we will not waste much time. A few seconds. Okay, no problem. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to download this. Whatever is there, you have to download it. Make sure where it is getting saved. So as I have told you, you just have to rename it. So I just given the name, just saved it. So you just have to see where it is saved. Okay. Then open it. Just open it. It will open with your default, I think, paint option is there. You can see. Yes. You can see it is open now. But you can see this watermark of NotebookLM. So you have this edit option here. I'm afraid if your free version is there, the Gemini Pro is not there. I don't know whether you will get this option or not, but in Pro version it is there. So you have this AI enabled. So you have this, just hover your cursor there. It is eraser. So once you first you have to click edit, like this edit. Once you click on the edit, the different interface will come like this. Like you have to crop, you can crop. I'm not copying because everything is perfect. I just want this NotebookLM to be removed. So it is eraser is there. So if you can see, this is very big circle. If I'll put, so many other things also will get erased. So just have to select the size of the brush. So reduce the size like this. Still it is big. So still I can reduce. Now you can see it's very small. So little bit I'll increase. Okay. So just have to select that area like this. Click and select. Yes. Now it will process. If you can see that blue box is getting illuminated, sorry. So, and it is showing is erasing area object in the selection. It will take few seconds and I think that it will erased. Done. If something is still not erased, some part is still left, so again you can select that part and it will again process and then it will erase. If something is not in NotebookLM or some marks have been left out, it's not yet erased, so you can again select it and again it will process and the thing will be fine. The whole thing will get erased. Make sure to select the proper size of the brush, otherwise you will end up in erasing important things also. So we can see when it is giving me the option area or object is erased. I'll just close this and make sure you're saving it. Save. So I had saved as an original copy only because I don't want duplication. So this will be saved same at the same place. Done. I'll just, now you can see it is not there. So again, I'll show you. Again, I'll open from the source. Here it is. You can see it's not there. The NotebookLM watermark is not there. One thing only, just you have to make sure that you have the pro version of that Gemini Pro. How you can come to know it is given as pro in the, whenever it's pro, you can see. And I really don't know whether you have in the normal like Google, if it is not pro, still you will get or not. I don't know. You just have to cross check. Otherwise, it is done. If you can see, the watermark is like cleanly it is removed. So you can share this bottom like image in your group with the titles and everything. See, it is done.